Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, unfortunately yesterday's final inspection of my house, this basement unit I would say did not go as planned, and the inspector had asked to do some changes. While follow-ups are being done by my contractor with the city, few points I would like to say that you should be careful when doing the construction, so that you don't have to do some work to avoid. First of all, let me turn the light on. Again, based on the architecture of your house, these things may change, but just to give you an idea, see this, you see this is the access to main water supply. Okay, so the officer wanted that we should have another access to water supply, because just this side is my garage. Okay, and there's a tap goes towards the garage, so that tap wall comes somewhere here. He says that that needs to be accessible as well. Then only it will be he said that's a requirement, so he put a pause here. The second point, now I'm entering my bedroom. What do I see? Fire alarm. And if I come here, you see there's a difference in the ceiling height. Here the height is more, here the height is less. So what he says, that fire alarm, move it towards the higher ceiling area. Again, like, this means some rework, but what can we do? It has to be it has to be done. Now, good thing I see here is probably they don't have to break the whole wall. They have a panel here, I don't know what it is called, this plate. They will take it out, put the alarm here, so that, and they will close this here. Okay, so that is why this will not involve much of demolition. Okay, more points I would show you. So this is the laundry area. So what the officer said, that all these areas, like these pipes, this insulation needs to be covered with drywall. So drywall has to be applied everywhere else, and these pipes should not be visible. So that will be done too. This sprinkler, which is very near to the furnace, he said that try to move it as far as you guys can. So plumbing team is gonna come and do that too. He also said that from the hot water heater, the pipes, one is going up and one is gonna stay here in the basement unit. So he told like to mark them properly as well, so that in case of any issue, there is no difficulty in determining where exactly it is going. And there are a few more other things that I cannot show, because follow-ups are still being done with the contractor and the city officials. So definitely that I'm not gonna discuss here. But yes, let me tell you, like, height of railing and from where it begins, like it may cross, but at least it should be in line with the last stair. Okay, and the same thing comes up also. This height should align with the stair beginning. Now he said something about the height also, but I don't remember exactly what the number he said, so I'm not gonna say, but it will be part of your architecture and design, so be sure that it is there. So that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you feel about it.